Hello everyone, thanks for visiting my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get crypto mining, and for this demonstration we're going to use a website called BeastMiningPool.com. Type it into your URL and visit the home page. On the right hand side here we'll see a list of coins that are available to mine today. Check out the pool daily because these coins can and will change. If we take a look over to the left here, how to mine with BeastMiningPool, you can see a very easy to use tool which will create the code that you need to mine. We've also included some mining software for you to use. On this occasion, if we were going to mine Help the Homeless token or Help the Homeless, we would use T-Rex Miner, which is available right here. Simply left click on the download link, save the file to your downloads, go to your download folder and find the T-Rex Miner download. Right click, extract using whatever program you have, could be pzip or WinZip. Once the file has been extracted, it's automatically brought to the folder. Left click and we've got a list here of the coins we can mine from BeastMiningPool. Here's Help the Homeless. If we were to right click on this file here and click edit, we can see the contents of the file. This part after the U is your username. This would be your wallet address. You're going to need to download a new wallet for whatever coin you have decided to mine with. On this occasion you would need to download Help the Homeless or HTH wallet, which you can find directly on their website. Once you've downloaded the wallet and it's fully synchronized, you can copy your wallet address and replace it in this section here. The rest of the code is already pre-written. You won't need to change anything else other than if you want to change your worker name after the full stop after your wallet address. You can call this anything. Save the file. Once you've changed your wallet address, it's really important that you do that, otherwise you won't get any of the funds. Click save and then you would double click, double left click to start the miner. Normally you have to wait a few seconds, if not a few minutes, just for the program to auto tune, and it wouldn't be too long before you can start mining and receiving accepted shares. Here we can see we've got an OK. With our hash rate. So we can see here that we're already starting to mine cryptocurrency through BeastMiningPool on port 9128, which is the dedicated port for Help the Homeless token. We'll leave this running, revisit the website, and we can see that we're connected because BeastMiningPool now is showing one miner connected with a hash rate that will gradually increase. Here you can see that the pool fee is a very low 0.4, which is a very small proportion of the miner's fee. So now you can see how to start mining through our simple download process. If you use or wish to use any other miner, simply collect or click on which coin you would like to mine. Again, we click help the homeless, paste in our wallet address, give our rig a name, and start mining. What this will do is now change the code in this yellow box, which you can now right click and copy and paste this into a .bat file of your choice for whichever mining program you wish to use. You will need to keep the name of the mining program at the beginning on the far left of where the algorithm sign is, and obviously create a space too. But the easiest way is just to simply download our T-Rex miner for help the homeless, or download them both and see which coins are available. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to check out our other social media accounts, check on these links here and see which videos and tutorials and tips are available. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a like, and yeah, hopefully we'll see you on our other media channels. Thanks again for viewing. I've been GetCryptoCoin, promoting BeastMiningPool.com. Thanks again.